Alright, so we're going to go over in this video on what exactly the grow link will after this many posts means. It's a bit hard to kind of explain. I'm going to do my best, but I think once you start running a couple link wheels, you'll kind of figure out what it means on your own. Um, so the setting I'm talking about is when you go into edit your link wheel settings, or when you go to create a new link wheel. There'll be a setting in here called grow link wheel after this many posts. Um, I'll go over the count post interval here as well in another video, but the setting here I'm talking about is this grow link wheel after this many posts to account. So the best way to explain this is as the link wheel processes, you basically want to have a certain measurement of how fast you want the link wheel to grow out. Meaning, you want to be able to tell the link wheel that, well, I only want to grow out tier 1 very slowly, and I only want to grow out tier 2 at a certain rate. So in order to reduce your accounts being deleted or banned, you want to grow out. The link will typically not. You don't want to basically create all these accounts at the same time, and you don't want them posting accounts to all these accounts at the same time. It's a good way to get your accounts banned a lot quicker. So in order to make the link wheel effective, you want to make sure there's a measurement that'll allow you to say, well, I only want it to grow out after this many posts. So I'll just take you through an example real quick. So for instance, this link wheel is set to grow the accounts after this many posts. Um, it's set at 3 right now. So what that basically means is after any one mininet is after any one of those accounts inside the mininet has posted 3 articles. As you can see, this has posted way more than 3 articles. It'll set this variable here complete to true. What that means is it's ready to be grown out because this account has posted 3 articles. So after 3 articles have been posted to this account, it's basically going to say, okay, this account's ready to grow out. This account is basically, as far as the growth, has been complete. That does not mean that it won't still post articles to this account. Basically, that's set in another setting inside the link wheel settings. That's basically set on your limits here if you want to limit the number of posts, but I'll explain that in another article. All you need to really know about is after 3 posts to any one of these accounts, it's basically going to set these accounts to true. Now what this kind of means is that since this first mininet has 3 accounts assigned to it, I would just ignore these 2 accounts that say unknown. Basically, that's just kind of it's a bug in the program that I'm still going to fix in future versions. Just know that it has 3 active accounts in this particular mininet. And once 60% of the accounts are set to true, it's going to basically build out your level 2 mininet, your level 2, your tier 2 accounts. So basically, as you can see, if you have this grow link wheel after this many posts to set to 3, it's going to take a lot longer to complete these 3 accounts before it goes on to tier 2. If you have this set to say 1, it's going to take a lot less time to build out, to basically set these accounts to true, meaning it's going to build out this link wheel a lot faster. So as it goes on to tier 2, once all these once all this mininet tier 2 accounts are set to complete, or 60% of them are set to complete, it's going to build a tier 3 mininet linking to this tier 2. So I know this it's kind of hard to kind of visualize, but that's all you really need to know as far as the grow link wheel. It's just basically a measurement That's going to tell the LinkWheel to grow out at a certain speed based on your post interval and your account number of accounts to post to each account on the mininet that it's actually processing.